Okay, guys, in this video, we are given equation of a line, and it's already what's called in the slope-intercept form. So what that means is we're going to have this y equals some number x plus another number. So the number in front of x is called slope. Okay, now what is it in this particular case? Well, we got this minus, right? So what is that? How do we write the number? So taking a negative of a number, any number, it's the same thing as multiplying by a negative one. So you can always insert negative one. So what you can say is this is going to be y equals negative 1 times x. So again, taking a negative of a number is the same as multiplying it by negative 1. And then plus 2. So the negative 1 here, that's the slope. That's the number in front of x. And then the 2, that's the y-intercept, okay? Now, here they actually want us to find the coordinates of the y-intercept. So the slope is going to be negative 1. Okay, but what about the y-intercept? So you can say that y-intercept is 2, but they want you to give a coordinates. Well, y-intercept always has x equals 0. So if you were to plug in x equals 0 in here, what will happen? So instead of x, we put in 0. What will happen? Negative 1 multiplied by 0. Well, any number multiplied by 0 is going to give us 0, right? And 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, so when x equals 0, we're going to get y equals 2. Now we can write it as a point. So instead of just saying 2, this is going to be a point on the graph 0, 2. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and type that here. So this is going to be negative 1, and then the y-intercept always has x equals 0, and y is going to be 2. All right, so now we have to sketch a line. Let's take a look. How do we sketch it? How do we sketch a line that when we're given a point and a slope? So first, let's start with the point. So let's identify where is the point 0, 2. So if you start at the origin, right, you're not moving right or left, because remember, the first coordinate is for moving right or left. You're moving 2 up, right? Because the second coordinate is responsible for going up or down. So this is going to be 2 right here. That's what we're going to start. And the slope of this line is going to be negative 1. So we need to figure out, okay, what's the rise and what's the run? Well, think of negative 1. Think of negative 1 as negative 1 divided by 1. Okay, so this is going to be your rise, and this is going to be your run. So you may be wondering, what does that mean? Negative 1 is a rise. Like, you're not really rising, you are actually falling. Yes, you are going down by 1, and you're going to the right by 1. Okay, so what is that going to be? So we're going to the right by 1 and down by 1, and that's what we're going to be. So this line has slope of negative 1. Okay, so now we can go ahead and submit it.